What a beautiful home, and it's available now. This home features 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This split plan is perfect for those living in a home that wants separation and privacy. The open floor plan features laminate flooring in all of the living areas, a large eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom features a 2-sink vanity, a large soaking tub, and a separate shower area. The large living spaces with high ceilings make this home feel much larger than the published 1874 square feet of living space. In addition, the laundry space is heated and cooled, and the washer and dryer is included.